I enjoy working with my hands. I like making things. I love equipment. I love tools. I'm a tool guy. In woodworking, it's a lot of fun. I like making something that I'm proud of, something that'll last after I'm gone. My name is Darrin Smith. I was born in North York, Ontario, and the name of my company is JessEm Tool Company. We didn't make any money for the first couple of years. And I actually did a show in Pleasanton, California, a trade show. It was a terrible show. We couldn't sell anything. So I was flying on this flight and I just thought to myself, why not have a drop-in handle for a router lift? That was it, pretty simple. So I landed in Chicago, called my wife, and I said, I got the idea. And she probably wasn't too happy to hear it. we were on our last legs in the business. We made the first prototype, went and did a show, and we got orders for 500 that first show. And that pretty well turned the company around. Ever since then, we've been building more and more tools. We're a family company, and my wife's worked here since we started the business. My son DJ works here, my son-in-law Justin. My daughter Jessica works here as well. Me and my wife, we had twin girls, Jessica and Emily. And we thought, we'll combine the two names. It's unique, should be catchy, so we called the company JessEm Tool Company. Fortunately, my son wasn't born at the time, so his name didn't get on there, but that's the way it goes.
I missed out on that one, but it is what it is. I'll get the next name, I guess. My name's DJ Smith. I'm from Barrie, Ontario. My main job right now is working with the quality team on product development and keeping up the standards out on the floor. Innovation and quality is extremely important to us. That's why we invest in high quality machinery to make sure our current products are up to our standards and to allow us to innovate and create new products.
I think what motivates us to do something different is, like I said, we're not chasing money, we're trying to build a tool company. So innovation is key, especially in tools. Tools have evolved since the Stone Age, really. Tools is something, that's an industry that's always evolving and probably always will. So we're trying to always, raise the bar a little bit. Doing another Me Too product, I mean, it's not as much fun, that's for sure. If you just make what everybody else is making, you're not making much of a difference.
I like being out in the wood shop. It's calm, you get to be alone with your thoughts, and you get to take your time and make something really high quality.
I've always liked making things. By designing tools that try to make the experience better for everybody else, we're trying to put our mark on the world too, I guess. Maybe that's what it is. It takes precision, and it shouldn't be as hard to really get that precision.